Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So what are we doing today? Well, this is a 944 oil pump. So we're going to put this little guy back together. And the only challenge is workshop manual says to coat the outside perimeter of this part of the pump with Loctite 574. So that's not that hard. The hard part is that you've got to put some grease on the actual pump part, and you've got to keep those things separate. So we've got all our parts cleaned up. Workshop manual says the dot must be up. So when we put this all back together, we're going to use the 574, we're going to use the grease, and we're going to see how everything goes. Because holding these in without getting anything on your 574 is going to be interesting. So we're going to time lapse you so you guys can see how it's done, and we'll go from there. That was all there is to it. So once you get everything really clean, one thing to look out for, there is an oil little pressure relief hole here that drains back inside the block. Make sure you run a little pipe cleaner through that after you do your cleaning so that there's no grit or anything in there. But, oops, we got to turn this guy over. We've already spun this thing around, so we know that it moves nice and easy and consistently all the way through 360 degrees. So our oil pump is now done. So we will bag this guy up, and that's all there is to it. So take your time, clean your parts really well. You probably saw me putting a lot of grease on the pump drive gear in there, just to make sure that when we go to prime the engine, it'll create a prime very quickly because of all that grease that's in there. And then once we change the oil after the first heat cycle, all that grease washes out, comes out with the break-in oil. All right, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we will keep doing them. Check us out at BreitWerks.com. Have a fantastic day.